Have you ever wondered how the U.S. Navy stores billions of dollars worth of fighter jets on a floating city? Imagine this. One of the most advanced fighter jets in the world, costing more than most people will earn in a lifetime, is placed on an aircraft carrier the size of a small city. Now, think about the high-stakes situation this creates. One small mistake, a tiny spark, and billions of dollars could disappear in seconds. But the U.S. Navy makes this happen every single day, storing some of the most advanced machines ever built in one of the harshest environments on Earth. How do they do it? And how have they perfected the process to the point where accidents are nearly impossible? Shocking fact. Did you know these carriers can move jets from below deck to flight-ready status in under 2 minutes? Right now, the United States operates 11 nuclear-powered aircraft carriers, each with around 80 fighter jets on board. These jets are not just parked, they are ready for combat. Ready to launch, land, refuel, and rearm faster than most can even comprehend. The real challenge lies in keeping these multi-million-dollar jets safe while sailing through hostile waters, stormy seas, and combat zones. The engineering behind this operation is nothing short of genius. Shocking fact, a single fighter jet on these carriers can cost up to $80 million. Multiply that by 80, and you get a staggering $6 to $8 billion in fighter jets alone sitting on a ship. These aren't just toys. The F-35C Lightning II, a fifth-generation stealth fighter, costs $12 million each, while the FA-18E Super Hornet costs anywhere between $65 to $80 million per unit. This is high-stakes, high-value machinery that requires expert handling, maintenance, and protection, especially when it's placed in the middle of the ocean, far from any support base. Shocking fact, every jet is carefully stored and maintained in a massive underground hangar, not the flight deck where most people think they are. The hangar bay is where the magic happens. This underground area on a Nimitz-class carrier is massive, over 600 feet long, 100 feet wide, and 25 feet high, enough to store over 60 jets, engines, weapons, and maintenance gear. It's a space designed to withstand the chaos of daily operations. The hangar is divided into 4 fireproof zones, and each zone has massive sliding steel doors that can shut in an instant to prevent the spread of any fire. Shocking fact. These hangar bays aren't just storage. They're full workshops with sailors performing repairs while the ship is moving. At the back of the hangar, skilled personnel known as Aviation Intermediate Maintenance Division, AIMD, work around the clock, repairing engines, avionics, and troubleshooting systems, often in rough sea conditions. Imagine working on a $100 million jet in 15-foot swells. This is just another day for the Navy. Shocking fact. The Ford-class carriers are faster and more efficient than ever before, with a cutting-edge elevator system that moves jets from below deck to the flight deck in under a minute. The elevator system on these ships is unlike anything you've seen. On Nimitz-class carriers, massive aircraft elevators can lift jets weighing up to 130,000 pounds. The newer Ford-class carriers take it even further with electromagnetic elevators. Think of it like a maglev train for fighter jets. These elevators are not only faster, but can carry heavier loads, drastically improving the speed at which jets can be moved into the air. Shocking fact. Ford-class carriers can handle 160 sorties a day, twice the capacity of the Nimitz class. That's more than enough to win a battle. But it doesn't stop there. Ford-class carriers also feature advanced weapon elevators. These elevators ensure that bombs, missiles, and other munitions never cross paths with aircraft, preventing accidents and improving efficiency. What's more, the weapons magazines are twice as tall, allowing munitions to be stored fully assembled, ready to go the moment they're needed.